y'all, it's Diane with Shawcraft One and my old barn door, and I just wanted to do a quick video today and give y'all a couple of updates and let you know that I have a new kit that will be in the shop. Once you see this video, it will be there for you to go and grab. It's a digital kit, and I've been working on some farm journals, and so these will be coming out next week. I hope I can get them finished. I am going to go to see my dad this weekend for Father's Day, so I'll be gone for a few days, so might not have as many videos next week as normal, but we'll get it back in progress as soon as I get back and get going again. So I just wanted to do a quick video and show y'all the kit real quick and get that in the shop for y'all so y'all can have something to play with. It's kind of a patriotic farm kit, so I'm calling it American Farm, and so that's how you'll find it in the shop. But it has 12 background pages and then some ephemera. So I'm just going to go through the pages real quick. So this is one of the pages. Some of them are just patterned pages, but I just thought I wanted to do something fun to go in these journals. So I actually created this specifically for these journals, and I've got some ring binder journals and some hardback journals that I'm working on too. So it'll be a different variety of journals. So this is the first page. This is the second page with the trucks and the windmills and the sunflowers and the flags. And then you have Uncle Sam. And I did some of these on a cream colored background and then some of them on a white colored background. There's this one. Hopefully y'all can see that okay. And then there's this one with the truck and the flowers. I love how this one turned out. And I don't know if you can tell, but in the background, these words, the script is, it's a scripture. It's in Romans. And then you have Uncle Sam and flags on a ledger. Here's the white background with Uncle Sam and the flags and the stars. And then you have the little rooster or chickens and the little girl's very vintage book page that I have in my stash. And it says, "This land is your land." Another one with Uncle Sam and the American flags and some flowers. This one's on a cream colored background. You have Uncle Sam on a blue tinted wood type distressed background. And then this is from an old hardware store in LJ, Georgia. It's very vintage, and so I just included this. Something simple. These are not elaborate. They're just simple, but I just think that makes really pretty backgrounds for pages in your journal. So those are the 12 background pages, and then you have some fun ephemera to play with. So these are strips. I use them as washi tape or borders for, you can do them as a border down the side. You could do them as a belly band or what have you, but here's one of them. And I put a couple in this journal so far. I haven't finished it yet, but there's the one with the chickens and the little chicks and flowers. There's one with the stars background with the patriotic kids, the vintage kids. There's one with cows. So anyway, I'm not going to go through all of them, but you get one page of larger ones, and I kind of made them different sizes so they don't all, meet up, but I just did it that way so that you could have a different variety of sizes that you might need. So there's that one. Then there's this one. These are a little bit thinner strips, and then at the bottom I had some extra space, so I just put a couple of labels on the bottom for you. And then we have a couple of sheets of journal cards, and I filled in with washi strips or strips on the sides where I had extra room. But excuse me, these journal cards are from a very vintage book that I found that was gifted to me. So I'm super excited about getting to use some of those. And then there's some patriotic journaling cards. And then you have a couple of tags, 3 tags actually. And then some little pieces down here for ephemera to use for clusters or whatever. And then the last one is a little poem, advice from an old farmer. And it is such a cute poem. I had to add it. And then you have this little city dairy receipt. So those are the ephemera pieces in the kit. And yeah, like I say, I'm going to be having lots of journals coming up. I think I've got 6 journals going right now. I may have more. I'm not sure because I've got some extra things going on with them. But yeah, this is one of the ones that has the extra flip little folio on the back. So anyways, just wanted to let you know about those updates. I will be coming back probably on Monday from seeing my dad, and so hopefully I can get a video to you Tuesday. I've been generally trying to put out videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but next week I might have to rearrange it just because of the trip to see my dad. So anyways, this kit, if you see this video, this kit is available in the shop and you can go and grab it, and I hope you have fun with it. If you do make a journal or anything at all with it, I'd love to see pictures. You can send those to me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Etsy messaging, email, however you want to send it, whatever is easiest for you and works best for you. So yeah, that's it for the day. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful Father's Day weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe for me if you will. And if you'd like to join the channel and get some special perks, you can click the little blue join button on the right hand side below the video. If you don't want to do join monthly, you can do a super thanks. There's a little super thanks button below the video as well. Or if you want to buy me a coffee, there is a link in the description box below that gives you the option to be able to buy me a coffee. And those 3 things just kind of help me continue to be able to do what I do and bring you content. So anyways, I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and I will see you next week. Big hugs.